Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are seeing a series of terms related with supply chain. The term in this session is cartel. A cartel is an organization created from a formal agreement between a group of producers of a goods or service to regulate supply in order to regulate or manipulate the prices. In other words, a cartel is a collection of otherwise independent businesses or countries that act together as if they were a single producer and thus can fix the prices for the goods they produce and the services they render without any competition. A cartel has less command over an industry than a monopoly, a situation where a single group or a company owns all or nearly all of a given product or services market. Some cartels are formed to influence the price of legally traded goods and services, while others exist in illegal industries such as drug trade. In the United States, virtually all cartels, regardless of their line of business, are illegal by virtue of American antitrust laws. Cartels have a negative impact on consumers because their existence results in higher prices and restricted supply. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development (OECD) has made the detection and prosecution of cartels one of its primary policy objectives. In doing so, it has identified four major categories that define how cartels conduct themselves: price fixing, output restriction, market allocation, and bid rigging, the submission of collusio tenders. Disadvantages of cartels are they operate at a detriment to a consumer in that their activities aim to increase the price of the product or service over the market price. Their behavior, however, is also adversely impactful in other ways. Cartel discourage new entrant into the market, acting as a barrier to entry. Lack of competition due to price fixing arrangement lead to lack of innovation. Thanks for watching. Bye.